Once again, welcome back to my blog, which is the third video which I'm posting. And first thing I like you are like, subscribe, and please click on that bell icon so you'll get a notification whenever I make a video, because I can't connect to all the people, so I'm trying my best to connect to everyone and sharing my videos. And the main reason why I'm doing is like I just wanted to make each and everyone to learn cooking at this time. And before starting to my blog, I always I like to suggest people have a turmeric milk and keep having a hot water so we can avoid this corona, which is badly running to which is badly hitting our economy as well as our health. Our daily routines has been totally changed. So I always suggest keep safe, be healthy. Okay, like going to my vlog, what I'm doing is like today, yesterday for a week, I just thought like okay, let me keep a voting sessions within my friends. So I just kept for voting in Instagram post, in which where I got many votes where I need to prepare a fish fry masala. The basic why I took is fish fry masala and the potato rice was the two options which I gave. The potato rice why I gave is like I'm good in potato rice, and most of them I used to prepare and I used to take it to my office, and most of them used to suggest me, oh, this games very well, so please suggest us. So that's the reason, which is the two. Sorry, those are the two ingredients which I'm very good at, and the one thing goes with the fish fry masala. Okay, as I'm a Mangalorean, so as soon as you see Mangalorean, hey Pritish, बहुत अच्छे से मछली खाता है. Like you eat fish very well, no? You know fish masala, right? So you suggest us how to prepare. So finally, I'm giving an answer to each and everyone who asked me this question. So I'm here with it. So what are the basic ingredients? We usually fish fry masalas of mangoes. What we do is like we won't use a fish fry powder. We'll make it like a paste and we'll apply it and we'll keep it for just 15 to 30 minutes. And then we'll fry it. And what usually during the rainy season, what we'll get much fish, what we'll do is like we'll take the fish, we'll put the masala, we'll keep it. Whenever we are having a lunch or a dinner, we'll fry one and we'll have it with a gonji rice, that is kind ganji, or we can have it with anything like a tomato, rasam, or anything. It goes very well. So these are the main ingredients. This is like a badgi, which you want to take a 10 of badgi chilies and the equal proportion of 10 Guntur chilies, and a spoon, 1.5 spoon of rice. Why the main reason why I'm taking the rice is like for the thickness, because when you add all these things, all the remaining parts, it becomes very like a paste. So for the thickness to have to apply it should be a little thick rice. So that's the reason we use a rice of 1 spoon and a pinch of turmeric and 1 spoon of coriander seeds. It should be also be equal proportion to the jeera. It's like a 1 spoon of jeera. And a salt, that is not a powder salt, this is like a solid salt, that is like a kallupu they call it as. I don't know how to spell it, is like an crystals like an. And here comes with the tamarind water. Why I'm using tamarind water? To get that flavor for the fish when you apply. See, first I'm taking a 10 chilies of badgi and 10 of gunturu. Then I will add with the coriander and jeera seeds and a salt, then a pinch of turmeric powder, and a tamarind water. This is the tamarind water why we suggest is like to get a nice softness, so it tastes very good. So like this you need to mix, and finally you need to put the rice, because the reason is that this should become into paste. Then we need to put it. Okay, here comes like this. It happens, right? It becomes a paste. Please blend it very well, and then please add a few rice. Okay, then again you need to grind it out, because it should become a here see the fish fry masala is ready, and the fish I've taken the matti fish, sandine fish, Okay, how to apply is like not like this. Always apply to the opposite direction of the cell so that masala will sits. And the thing is like what I'm thinking is please apply rava on it, then